Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. A lot of people ask me for an update about VeChain. To be honest, VeChain is extremely weak. Again, I mentioned it so many times before, as long as VeChain doesn't really get above the 88.7% FIB level, which is at 3.3 cents, you know, we can't really be much more confident about VeChain. So it increases the risk of this chart. And to be honest, the latest dip again below that level, because we briefly broke above it, as you can see here. Yeah, that was here on the 10th of August. We moved above that level, and however we couldn't hold it, and then we came down again. So this was not good for the chart. This is not a bullish signal. Of course, you know, there is a bullish count available, and we could say that the low was in here at around 2.1 cents, and we could say that this is a leading expanding diagonal, and we could say that there will be another wave 5 to the upside, especially after this move down here. But the problem is that this move down seems to me like a 5-wave move, especially after the last dip. So I would nearly completely discount this leading expanding diagonal, because a wave 4 highlighted in yellow here would normally need to be a 3-wave move, ABC. You can see we have made 5 waves down. So to understand that as a wave 4 needs a lot of fantasy, imagination. Yeah, we haven't really, I don't know, and leading expanding diagonals are extremely rare as well. So that dip wasn't good for VeChain. It didn't look too bad until we came to this level, but I always emphasized the need to break above the 88.7% FIB level as a minimum requirement to be more confident long term into this chart. It's a shame though, because the long term chart looks really good. So obviously it's not over for VeChain, but VeChain needs to make its way above that level. We had a nice reversal here, so we expected here a dip, which is great. Not that much though, but we expected a dip, so people had a chance to exit here or whatever. But yeah, not that much, because ideally we would have wanted to see a 1, 2, 3, then a wave 4, ending higher, and then a wave 5, which again would have been a nice impulse, but didn't happen. So chart continues to be weak. It was rejected at the 88.7% FIB level. Eventually this could become a large inverse head and shoulders. That's good, but primarily until we see a good signal here, I would go with this chart in white, you know, the white wave count, where we said, all right, we came down in a wave 1 in a 5-wave move. Again, that's the problem, that we see 5 waves down, so rather bearish. There should now be at any point this wave 2 correction that I already highlighted in the last video. Not fulfilled yet, okay, but I still see that as a possibility. If we break above the 2.5 cent level, then I see the price get sort of into this region between 2.8 and 3 cents before it comes down in a wave 3. So at the moment, it's a chart for me to stay away from. Yeah, not confident in this long term, or at least not short term. Yeah, this might change if we get above the 3.3 cent level, which is the 88.7% FIB level again. Until then, especially due to the 5-wave decline down, yeah, rather bearish at the moment. Okay, so that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.